Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the iconic FLUKE 87V industrial true RMS multimeter. This meter was made available to the market for sale in May of 2004. To this day, this multimeter, even though they have another series, I think it's the 87B or something like that, 87 Max, 87.5 Max, this multimeter, this series right here, still holds its value. Even to this day, when you're trying to buying a used one, and it may not be as in pristine condition as this one, you can find it no less than $300. This multimeter is worth every penny. Now, don't get this. I did a video earlier with the 87.3. So I don't want you to think you're looking at the same video. You're not. Okay, so this is a whole different multimeter. The 87.3 was a nice multimeter, still to this day, still a very good multimeter. But this 87.5 is a force to be reckoned with. It's an icon in the test and measurement world. So what we're going to do, let me just zoom you in just a little bit closer. We can take a look at some of the features and around the dial, and we'll talk about it in a minute. Okay, so let me just zoom you in some. Okay, that's the jack inputs. We see it's rated for 10 amp max fused. Input to the far left. The next one will be milliamps and microamps. The next one will be the common input jack. And on the far right is the temperature, volts, resistance, and diode. Okay? And it's rated for Cat 3, 1000 volt, Cat 4, 600 volt. I'm going to try to get all of them in here. There we go. All right, it's set on right now. We have volts, and we have a special feature here, low Z. And the next one up is volts AC that is set on right now. Volts DC. The next one above that will be millivolts AC DC. Millivolts DC along with temperature. The next one above that will be continuity, resistance, and capacitance. The next one is diode. Below that one is my milliamps, AC, amperage, AC, and DC. And before that is micro amp, AC, DC. The soft keys, the yellow button up here at the top, is you select the switch. When you trying to get any one of these around the dial, any one of those, anything that's lit up in yellow or is printed in yellow, that's the button that you will use to activate those features. Okay, so that's the yellow is a selector button, and the button below that for the backlight. And they have two stages. Right now, it's set on it is set. Let me give you. It is set on the second stage, would be a bit brighter than the first stage. Let me just give you an idea how it looks. Off. That's low. That's brighter. Now, it's showing much brighter on the camera than it is in person, but you can still see it, But anyway, the next button is min max. You get min max average, which would be, you see it, and you can also scroll through all of them. You have a min max average. Okay, you have a continuity button here. You have the range button. You have a rail button to zero it out. Let me see. To zero it out, you have auto hold, and you have a hertz, and you have duty factor. This meter have a lot of features that I didn't know it had. What happened was I saw a FLUKE infomercial on YouTube, and it was talking about this multimeter and all the hidden features. And I did not know it had those features. Not that I'll use them, but it's nice to know that this thing have more usable features just in case I had to use them. So, it's kind of like being prepared for for battle, even though there's no war, this Fluke have all the features that are very usable. And this is considered an industrial multimeter, and I can see why. It's built like an M1 Abrams tank for sure. And you know, if you want to know if it would drop with us, I mean, I take a 6-foot fall. I think it'd take a 7-8 foot fall and still work perfectly. The only meter that I know out there today that kind of reminds me as far as build quality, the Fluke, Bryman have some good meters, and you know they're pretty well built, high quality built, and I think they are. You know, I think some of their meters are serious competitors for the Fluke, and but I think they'll do pretty good. Now, on the far right on it right here is the test leads that come with it. These are not the original test lead, because these are the ones that you can kind of like, you know, twist, just like more like a twist lock here. You could twist and expose more of the metal. The leads that came with this multimeter, or if you had a Fluke multimeter before, you know, I mean, what I'm talking about. They wasn't bad, but it wasn't top rated compared to the test leads that's available today. So I still have them in a drawer somewhere around here, but I just put these up here because these are the ones that I use when I use this multimeter. It takes one 9-volt battery to power this meter up. This case that it has, it's a real nice case. It also have a place in the back to store your leads when you're not in use. And overall, on a scale from 1 to 10, how would I rate it? I would rate this meter 100. I never had any issues with Fluke products, especially this meter, and I don't think I will. I think this meter will last as long as I take care of it. And so, with that being said, guys, well, look, before I continue, if this is your first time listening to this or viewing this channel, and you like what you see so far, hit the like button. But if you want to be in rotation to all of my upcoming videos, and there will be more coming, and take a look at all of my past videos, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell that's right next to it, and it'll put you in rotation of all my videos. And leave a comment, because I do like reading your comments, and other people do as well. So I want to thank all YouTube lovers, as I am myself, and for supporting the channel. And keep in mind, all of this is for free, guys. So thank you for all the years of your support and supporting the channel. And I hope you guys take care out there. And until the next video, I want you guys to stay tuned, because there are more coming. And until we meet right here again, you guys take care. Later.